Good morning, today's July 2nd, 2020, and today's refinishing project is located in Lafayette, California. Alright, so out here in Lafayette we're going to be doing a bathtub here, this light green bathtub, cast iron bathtub, as well as this tile enclosure. It goes up pretty high. You have a ceiling in here full of tile. And little shelf in there. Yeah, so this is pretty much this size of a bathtub and tile. Prepping and refinishing is usually a two-day job. First day we'll come in and prep it fully out. As you can see, it's fully prepped out right now, and it's ready to be primed and refinished. And then the second day we follow up with the refinishing. Alright, so we're here on the second day, and we're going to start applying the primer and coating, and we should be done this afternoon. So we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching.